What's up, fellas? Today's video we're going to talk about although, even though, and though. Quite important, some specific things about all of them. I have chosen 3 of them and I'm going to tell you also in all details. Quick video but very useful. Okay, بچه‌ها امروز تضادها یا متضادها رو در زبان انگلیسی می‌خوایم بگیم. 3 تا انتخاب کردیم: although, even though, and though. Make sure you keep watching till the end. Okay, let's get started. So the first here we have is although. How to use although. بچه‌ها دقت کنید although فقط اول جمله به کار میره. Okay? And what is the meaning of that? معنیش همون که خودتون میدونید، با اینکه یا اگرچه یا ولی هم میتونیم بگیم، همون however یا but. Take a look at example. Although I slept enough hours, I'm still feeling drowsy. با اینکه اندازه کافی خوابیدم، هنوز خوابالودم. درسته؟ And take a look at the other example. Although he lives in London, he doesn't speak any English. با اینکه تو لندن زندگی میکنه، انگلیسی هنوز حالیش نیست، انگلیسی هنوز بارش نیست. Okay? And look at the other one, though, which is very similar to although. Okay? بچه‌ها خیلی شبیه هم هستن، حتی even though, although and though. اما even though که اسلاید بعدی بهش میرسیم یه تفاوت خیلی کوچیک داره و تأکید کردن رو نشون میده، تأکید کردن بسیار زیاد. Or we can call it just like emphasis, right? Having more emphasis on a sentence. Take a look at example on though and then we'll understand better. In Farsi, again, as I told you, با اینکه or اگرچه. And look at example. It's a nice weather. It's a bit chilly though. هوای خوبیه ولی یکم سرده یا یک کوچولو سرده. یا I told her many times, she's forgotten though. با اینکه بهش چند وقت یا چند بار بهش گفتم یا چندین بار بهش گفتم، بازم فراموش کردم. And though I've run 20 kilometers, I'm not tired yet. با اینکه 20 کیلومتر دویدم، هنوز خسته نیستم. Okay, the last one, as I told you, it's even though. So the only difference here is very slight, and the only difference is emphasis, having more emphasis on a sentence. If you want to emphasize on more sentences, so you can use it in this way. And again in Farsi, اگرچه با اینکه. And take a look at example. Even though he told the truth, the police sent him to jail. با اینکه حقیقت رو گفت، اما پلیس انداختش خلفدونی یا هچالدونی یا حالشو زندان, right? Even though he's wealthy, he doesn't own a house. با اینکه ازش پول زیادی داره، اما خونه از خودش نداره. تأکید میکنه، دقت کنید. She loves living in London. عاشق زندگی در لندنه. اما یا اگرچه عاشق زندگی در لندنه، even though it's quite expensive. عاشق زندگی در لندنه با اینکه شهر گرون قیمتی هستش. That's it for now. Okay? See you next video.